Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday.
Hello guys, and welcome back to episode 22 of Vlogmas. So now we have just gotten ready and we have delivered back the dog, so we don't have her here anymore, which is a little bit sad, but she's going to celebrate Christmas in the mountains, so she is going to run and have a very good time there. And I have also prepared a little bit for the Christmas dinner. I have seasoned the pork belly, and I have also prepared some other things for the Christmas breakfast. And yeah, now we are going to go out to the Christmas market finally, and after that we are going to some other stores. I'm going to pick up the Christmas gift for my boyfriend. I think we are also going to do the rest of the Christmas shopping today or tomorrow, but hopefully today, because tomorrow it's going to be very packed in the stores. So I hope that we manage to do that today. And yeah, let's go. So now we are back home, and I did pick up the Christmas gift, but I didn't pick up anything for myself, or I picked up 2 things, but not what I planned to pick up. And the thing that I picked up was the Kayali Musk 12, because it is rumored that it's going to be discontinued. So therefore I bought 2. Because it is my signature scent and it is my favorite scent of all times. This is a scent that I want to get married in. This is a scent that I want to have as my signature scent for the rest of my life. So therefore I need to stack up on it, so I will not run out of it, because it is just a perfect musky but also very clean, not too heavy. So it's a perfect everyday perfume. You can wear it when you are home or when you are out, and it is just the most perfect scent ever. I really love it, and if it is true that it is going to be discontinued, I will cry, because this is just the best scent ever. So yeah, I got 2 of those. And I also have one that I quite recently bought 2 months ago, I think. But I will probably buy some more just to be sure, because it is just the best scent that I have ever tried. So that was the thing that I ended up with in the city. And finally we got to go to the Christmas market. It was very beautiful and I got a lot of Christmas spirit while I was there. It was very cozy but also very cold, even though it is just -2 degrees here. And we also stopped by Hermes and also Chanel. I'm going back to Chanel tomorrow because they didn't have time. I was there right before they closed, so I cannot blame them. And we also stopped by Dior Beauty. They didn't have anything new because we are waiting for a Dior Snow toner at Dior Beauty, and some other things, like for example the lip liner in brown fig. I have heard so many good things about it, so I really want to try it out. And I also tried to ask for a bag at Hermes, not a quarter bag, but I wouldn't say no if I got a quarter bag today from Hermes. But the bag that I asked for was a mini Evelyn in black with gold hardware, and the reason for that is because I think it is just the perfect everyday bag, and it is very carefree. For example, when I'm going grocery shopping or if I'm going just to run some errands, it would be a very good bag for that. And also if it is raining or snowing and the weather isn't that nice, it's a very good bag to use for those occasions. And I think I will add it to my collection very soon. At Chanel I was asking for some shoes and also some bags. They had some of the shoes that I wanted to try on, but the bags that I really am hunting for now is the flap bag with top handle, which has been here for some seasons, and also the new Chanel Mini Kelly. So those 2 are the bags that I'm hunting for right now. I'm also thinking a lot about buying a Chanel classic flap lately, but I don't know yet. I would like to just try it out a little bit more before I go and splurge. And also it doesn't feel right spending that much money on that bag because I feel that the quality isn't that good, but still it is a bag that I want, sadly. And yeah, we also stopped by Loewe, but they didn't have anything new, but it was very nice to see my essay and talk to him. And yeah, that was the day. And now we are going to watch some TV and I'm going to edit this vlog so it goes live. But yeah, thank you so much for watching episode 22 of Vlogmas. And now we only have 2 days left of Vlogmas. And thank you so much for watching. If you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.